Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we bring you all the tips and tricks to level up your gaming experience. Today, we are diving into something super useful. How to change your region in Clash of Clans. Whether you are moving to a new country or just want to switch your region for better matchmaking, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Firstly, why would you want to change your region? Different regions might offer unique offers, event, or even a more active community in your preferred language. But remember, this does not directly affect your gameplay. So let's get started. Before making any changes, back your data to avoid losing progress. Head to the settings, tap onto the profile, tap onto the iCloud and tap onto iCloud Backup. To change your phone region, you have to come back to the settings and select Media and Purchases and tap on View Account. Sign in if prompted. Then tap onto region/country. Then change country or region. Tap onto change country or region. Here choose the region you want and agree to the terms and conditions. Once the region change is completed, open the Clash of Clans. The region should update automatically based on your Apple ID new location. If you ever need to switch back, just follow the same step to change your region again. Simple, right? And that's it. You are now ready to explore Clash of Clans from a new region.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.